channel. We are back with another protective style, and we've done Yankee twist yet again. This time in the color black, because everything's better in black. So these Yankee twists I got from TikTok shop. I will put the link to these twists in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. But can we get into this bob? So these are 10-inch. I'll put it on the screen, I can't remember. I believe the 10-inch Yankee twist. They did come about here, about shoulder length, but I did cut them into this super cute bob, which I'm absolutely loving. These Yankee twists definitely are giving twist out, wash and go vibes. Super cute, super easy protective style to do. Did not take a lot of time at all. The foundation underneath here is crazy because I just took out a protective style. I had some boho, some human hair boho braids that I had crocheted in. I'll link that video up above. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. But I used that exact same foundation to install these Yankee twists. I absolutely am loving them. This took me about an hour, maybe an hour and 15 minutes to do. Super quick and easy. The twists are super tiny, as you can see. So I installed them 3 to 4 at a time. So in the back, I installed them 4 at a time, and in the front, I installed them 3 at a time. But again, this install super easy. You can definitely do this style. If you have not seen my other Yankee twist video, which are also super bomb, I'll link those up above as well. But let's get into this tutorial. know what you think about these Yanky twists in the comment section below. Would you try this style out? Should I have left it how it is? Or are you feeling this little bob? Because I'm definitely feeling this bob. This bob. All tongue twisted because these Yanky twists got me all twisted. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.